Dear Mrs. F, thank you so much for the bottle of wine. It was a very pleasant surprise, especially since I'm a very big fan of pocket watches. I thought the label on the bottle was very well designed. This alone made me feel pretty high class. I even felt the need to dress accordingly. However, the wine was more than just a pretty bottle. The flavor was nicely balanced. It was dry with a touch of sweetness, and even though I preferred dry over sweet, the sweetness didn't overpower the dry flavor. This wine even provided me with a bit of luck while I was drinking it.
Ooh, is that a pocket watch?
Why, yes it is.
Oh, those are hot.
Would you care to have a drink?
Sure.
All in all, the wine tasted pretty good to me. And honestly, that's all that matters. So thanks for the gift, it was greatly appreciated, and very tasty. Sincerely, Dan Wiley.